Hi guys, so just wanted to give you a little update. It's really sunny and it's in my face on all the little chickens and the molting situation. I know I did a video mainly on molting last time, but I just wanted to give you a little heads up that they're doing really well. I've just had to, little onion, she was getting a little bit bare on the back of her neck where pumpkin and squash have been being a bit mean. I think I've got a bit of tar on my nose. I think I do. So I've just basically put some tar on her and some anti-pecking spray. So if I put it this way, you can see. Ooh. Ooh, other way. She's just behind there, she is. She's behind Radish. There next to Bean. Let me flip the camera around so you can actually see. Okay, she's got the little, that's little onion. So she's now got tar on the back of her neck, just so whenever they try to peck her, they're going to get tar on their beak, so hopefully they'll stop pecking her. And then she's got anti-pecking spray and also the blue stuff too, just to stop her skin looking so quite attractive to them. And so basically they're our main molting monsters. So the whale boy, which is Chili, which is the one on there on the right hand side, she's got all her little quills coming out. Zoom in a little bit so you can see her quills coming out really well. She's got lots coming out. We've got Saffron, who is this one. She always walks like that, she's a bit weird. She's looking good too. She's got lots of quills. Just need them to come out now. We've got the onion that I've just sprayed. So she's now blue and anti-pecking spray, which is basically pine tar. And I've put some actual Stockholm tar on the back of her neck. So if they keep grabbing her on the back of the neck. So if they do start grabbing her again, then hopefully they will stop because it will taste nasty. And there's everybody. They were kind of like just stopping her. She was crouching and then they weren't doing anything, but then I've just seen Squash and she's just pecked her like 3-4 times and there's not very many feathers there. I don't want them to get any of her skin and make her bleed or anything, so it's like I'll just spray her, get her done. She was really good, bless her. Hey guys, everyone okay? And their little sheepies, obviously all the leaves are all coming down. Looking very autumn now. Hey AT! Your brother and your mom. They're looking very cute down here. Right, let's go back up to the house. Oh, I'm still cleaning out the goatees at the moment. I'll go and see them in a sec. Hi everyone, so I just wanted to show you what we've been doing. So we've got some paving slabs, you can see here, that we put all the way across here by the menage because we're having issues with the rats digging underneath and actually kind of like digging it all up and basically managing to get in here. So we've also, obviously, we told you we put all the wire around the beds. Fortunately, they were still digging under, so we've ended up having to put more kind of slabs and things around. I'll flick the camera around so you can see properly. Okay, so we put the slabs around the bottom of a few of them. We're going to do more, but we've now put the slabs all the way around here. This is going to be a raised bed when I sawed it in half and screwed it together. So we've got it going all the way back here, all the way down here to the corner, because basically they're kind of living in here, this bit here down the middle of the end of the menage, and then they've been digging underneath the fence, obviously, because we've got this fencing all the way around the mesh, which they obviously can't get through. But annoyingly, they were digging underneath and coming under. So, and the other annoying thing is they've been digging, well, chewing through. Hi, OT. Hi, OT. They've been chewing through the chicken and duck fencing. So we started on a little bit of wire over there. I'll zoom in so you can see it. Let's see if you can see it. There you go at the bottom. So we put fencing, wire across the bottom as well, just to make sure that that's stop them digging in here. I forgot to get you a bucket, didn't I? Mum's away at the moment, so she's away for like 4 days or so. So it's just me at home, all by myself, doing the animals, which is fine. But technically they're my animals. Hi, OT. You good girly? You got hay all over your head? Everyone else down there. These guys are all fine. So my next port of call is behind the chicken coop down here. Was where they first started coming in. So my plan is to take these that I've just brought down. So I just brought 10 down. It's pretty heavy. Brought that down. And the plan is to do them over here. I should have brought the tripod. Sorry, I'm just holding this, guys. Hi. How you doing? You okay? So my plan is... Hi, goaties! Hi, Beanie! Look at Beanie, she's looking better. They haven't completely come out yet, but looking better. Onion, do you know, obviously last time I did Onion, I took out all her little... I tied her neck, sprayed her and everything, and then all the little feathers she did have, they took out. So she now looks like a naked neck chicken. Oh, frustrating, but hopefully soon she will have her feathers back. Right, so down here, we have a big hole here where they were digging underneath here. So I'm gonna basically do all these slabs across the back here, and then go up that end. Hello guys! You're so nosy, Pumpkin and Squash. So we're going to do it down here as well. We've got another 2 packets. Hi guys! Hi everyone! Little Saffron, he's looking so much better. She looks like a porcupine again. Hi porcupine! Hey guys, but look, a little onion. I'll zoom in a bit so you can see. Look! Oh, poor Bubba's. Right, I'll crack on with this and I'll show you when I've done. Hello, yes, you just follow me around everywhere, don't you? Yes, you do. Right, bye. Just briefly want to show you, because it's raining, I don't want to get the camera the phone too wet. So we've got like rivers everywhere in the menage. It's horrendously wet, so I haven't been able to do much filming or work outside because it's literally just been horrendous last couple of days. So other than the paving slabs, which I showed you the other day, I haven't been able to do much more because it's just been raining constantly. I like duckies, so I'll quickly show you. I'll zoom in a bit so you can see. So I did all the ones down there, and we've got all the ones over this side that we showed you before. But that's all I've managed to do. So these guys are all out and about. I'm just about to give them their treat. I've just cleaned out the duckies. Mum's away until Thursday. It's Wednesday now, so I'll be doing these guys on my own. So I might just do a little time lapse of cleaning out stables for you. I just need to go and get my tripod, and then I'll do that for you and add it to the end of this little update video. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Pieces of love, it's all right. Scattered in mud, it's all right. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want. This time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want. Let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 It's alright, so